Morning children, welcome to our English 1 class. Beta, please open lesson number 10, that is your articles. The words a or an or and the are called articles. The word the points out some particular person or thing, therefore it is called definite article. So where we are using the when we want to point out some particular person. Okay children, when we are talking about a or an leaves indefinite the person or the thing spoken of. Okay, therefore it is called indefinite articles. He wants a dictionary means any dictionary. Okay, not particular dictionary, any dictionary. He wants the dictionary means some particular dictionary here he is talking about. Okay, the is used for again for a particular thing, but when we are talking about it is again we are not talking about a particular thing. Okay, use of a or an, we use indefinite article like a before those words that begins with the consonant sounds like f, d, b, k, g, t, h, m, p, r. Okay, if you find these all sounds are consonant sounds. F, fan, a fan. D, dog, a dog. B, book, a book. Cat, a cat. Girl, a girl. G, g sounds here. If you find this is also not your which sound it is? It is also a consonant sound. So where we use our this sound where we are having a first letter this consonant. Okay, we use indefinite article and before those words that begin with a vowel sound or a vowel sound. An apple, an eagle, an ice cream, an onion, an oven, an egg, an ink pot, an aeroplane, an orange, an umbrella. One thing you must forget now, what is that? Earlier you were thinking that vowels are 5. No, vowels are not 5. We are having vowel sounds here. Okay children, what we are having? We are having vowel sounds here. We are not having vowel words. Okay. So if you find this is a, e, I, okay, these are, if you find these are your vowel sounds. E, a, u, these are your vowel sounds. Remember, means if your word starts with these sounds, then you are supposed to add the word an. Suppose aeroplane. So what we will write here, a or an, a. From where it start? Aeroplane, a. A sound it is, so what will come? An. If I write fan, so which sound it is? F. A will come. Okay. Same way if we are having M, L, A. M, A sound comes first, so what will come here? An, a sound. So this is your a sound is your vowel sound. So we'll write here an. Get it all of you children? Now we use a or an only before singular countable nouns. Okay, remember where we are using? We are using only when we are talking about a single thing, a table. We are not saying a tables. Okay, because here number of tables we are talking about. Here we are talking about one single table. So same way a man, single man. So a man we cannot use. We also use the indefinite article in sense of one. Example, wait a minute means wait for 1 minute. Okay, 1,000 people were there. 1,000 people were there. Here means one. Use of definite article, that is your the. The is used, but this you have to learn. The is used when with the names of the rivers. Don't write with the river, but with the names of the river. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile. With the names of oceans and seas. The Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, the Caspian Sea. with the names of mountain ranges. Okay, the Himalayas, the Alps, and the Andes. With the names of historical mountains, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, with the names of the certain books, the Bible, the Ramayana, with the names of the things being only one of their kind, the universe, the sun, the earth, this way. Okay, so exercise A and B is there in your this syllabus. Put a or an in the following blanks. So advocate, a sounds an, bench, b sound, a, dozen, d sound, a, long. So l is your consonant sound, so write down here a. Emperor, again which sound? Vowel sounds, write down an. Uncle, which sound? A. Vowel sound, so write down here an. Same way we are having oven, a sound. Here you find this vowel sound here, so write down an. Hospital, her sound, which sound it is? Consonant sound, write down a. Pencil, per sound, which sound? Consonant, write down a. Doctor, d, d sound, again consonant, write down a. Orange, again your which sound? First sound is your which sound? First sound is of wall, so write down an. Again per, park, so here which sound? Per, so this is your consonant sound, so write down a park. Then garden, a garden. Zoo, a zoo. Enemy, vowel sound, and queen, again vowel sound, a is your for, a for sound, a. Same way we are having umbrella, an umbrella. Angel, an angel. An order, a bottle, b consonant sound. An error, a kangaroo. A zoo, a queen. Then is an elephant, a ticket, a cup. An injustice, a pitcher, a saucer, a zebra. Then we are supposed to fill these blanks with the a, an, or the. First is your name of the river. So write down the Nile is the longest river in the world. The longest river in the world. Then Taj Mahal monument. The Taj Mahal is the longest heritage monument. Then Miss Kavita is a kind lady. There was an orange in her hand, and the earth moves around the sun. Mary borrowed a book from her school library. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world. One day Seema saw a girl weeping in a park. Almost every family in our country owns a TV. A lot of people are coming to the meeting. This was all, beta. So do it carefully in your fair books. Have a good day, children.